Welcome to third accounting process. The third accounting process is the ledger creations. We know well that we have studied up to second step. It means the accounting process second step. The first step, the source of document. The second step is journal records. So now we are going to look at that the step 3 in the accounting process, that's the ledgers. In this section we are going to look at that what's the ledger and how to prepare the ledger. So the first part is what is the ledger. A ledger is a book containing accounts in which the classified and summarized information from the journal is opposed as debit and credit. It's also called the second book of entry. We know well that in the double entry system, debit always equal with a credit. This is the simple for ledger. So the first we have to be put here the account name, then this is the debit side, this is the credit side, and then every side we have to be enter the date and then details and amount, right? So this is the sample ledger. Now we are going to look at that how to prepare the ledger. As I told that the ledger is prepared based on the journal record, right? You can see here this is the Anwar Co Private Limited Company journal record, and then they put that first date, then particulars, debit and credit, right? So the date is 1st April 2019, cash account debit 400,000, capital account credit for 400,000. Being Anwar start the company with 400,000 cash. It means that the transaction is Anwar start the company with 400,000 cash. If it is Anwar start the company with a 400,000 cash, this is the capital. So capital increase, at the same time he put that cash, so cash also increase. So if it is cash increase, it will debit, right? And the capital increase, it will credit. So that's what we have create cash account. In the first ledger is cash account, the debit is 400,000, and here we need to put that date, then a particular mean which account it's account, capital, right? So then we have to put that amount as well. Here is credit, capital increase. So if it is capital increase, we have to be enter in the credit side under the capital ledger. So first time need to be create the capital account, then we have to enter the date first, then particular, it is coming from where cash account, right? So we have to enter here cash, and then amount is 400,000. So this is how we need to prepare the ledger. Every journal we have to be create the ledger, right? So this is the third step for accounting process.